If you want to find download folder on iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, the easiest way to find all downloaded files is to go to the Files app that you should be able to find, for example, in the home screen over here, at least by default, or you can go to App Library and look for the Files app over here. Now, in here, if you go to Browse, so if you are in Recents, you might be able to find your files over here, but you can also go to Browse on the right side, and most likely you will open iCloud Drive, where we have downloads, so you can expect to have files in here, but you can also, of course, choose where you can where you want to save files. So in case you saved it in a different location, then you can tap on the arrow over here in the top left corner in order to go to this browse section, and you can try to find your file based on different locations. So for example, if you save it on your iPhone over here, then you can choose that, and you can find items in here, and so on and so forth. So most likely you can go to iCloud and find it over here in the downloads folder, but if not, you can just go back in order to choose a different location and try to find it somewhere else. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.